So one of the things that we take so seriously about this meetup, regardless of if all 1,300 of our meetup partners are on here, or if we've got 10 or 20 or 50 or whatever, is really the power of collective knowledge. And the value of learning from each other and our experiences and how we can use that to our benefit. So we do encourage you to engage. I totally get it. I get intimidated about doing everybody thinks that I'm the most outgoing person ever, and truth be told, I'm oddly introverted. So I get it. If you're concerned about saying anything in person, reach out to me individually or in the chat box. It's totally fine. We love to hear what your perspective is. I am passionate about knowing what your investor motivations are and what your goals are, and also what you have tried in the past that didn't work for you, because there's no need in repeating that, right? So let us know. We'll help you skip that. This is just a great place to learn